I'm Chad Eberly of Paradise Energy Solutions. Here at Paradise Energy, we have a team of trained and certified technicians ready to maintain and repair your solar energy system. One of the services we provide is called Reroof. Reroof is the process whereby we remove your solar installation from your roof to allow you to complete roof repairs or replacements. The first step in the process is for you to contact Paradise Energy Solutions and request a quote. You can do this with a phone call or visit our website and fill out a web form. We'll be in contact with you to request some basic information about your system, and from that information we'll prepare a quote. The next step in the process is our project manager will coordinate with your schedule and pick a day for the removal of your system. On that removal date, our technicians will arrive and document the current operational status and position of the system on your roof. The removal process usually takes 1 day. Your solar panels and other equipment will be stored safely on site at a place of your choosing. Once the removal is complete, our technicians will allow time for your roof to be repaired or replaced. We will order new attachment hardware for your system and coordinate with you to schedule the reinstallation of your system. As a final step, our technicians will return and reinstall your system. Once the system is reinstalled, it will be re-energized and we will verify its functionality before leaving the job site. So give us a call or visit our website. We look forward to serving you.